Hello students, good morning to you all. It's teacher Mini. Very warm welcome to my presentation. Last session we had discussed about handling data with a single data and group data. I would like to start a new unit today, that is scale drawing. Okay, what is scale drawing? Scale drawings are used to draw an object to an proportion of its real size to offer a real life size in proportion to other scale object around it. When we draw an object to scale, we either make it larger or smaller. If in a real life the object is very large, then we will probably want to make it smaller. On the other hand, if in real life the object is very small, then we will probably want to make it larger. Okay, so when we are drawing the things, the real thing in the map or in the book, the scale should be, you have to take the some scales to represent the same shape or size of the object. Okay, scale factor we discussed before in other classes. So we are using this ratio proportion 2:1. 2 units on drawing is equal to 1 unit in real life. 3:2, 3 units in drawing, 2 units in real life. Okay. So the conversion of metric is very important because in a real life, the distance between the object or the things, it is mentioned in kilometer. But in the map or in the book we are drawing, the distance will be in centimeter. Okay, so the unit conversion is very important here. You understand why we are using the kilometer in real and why you are using centimeter in map? Okay. So conversion is very important. Example 1. 1:50,000. So, okay, 1:50,000 means 1 centimeter is equal to 50,000 centimeter. This is, we are not writing every time. It's the big number 1:50,000. It is understood that 1 centimeter is equal to 50,000 centimeter. Then you have to divide it by 100,000. Okay, so you will get 1 centimeter is equal to half, 0.5 kilometer. Okay, in the drawing you can use 1 centimeter, in the outside it is a half kilometer. Okay, so we have to follow some instructions, some rules. First one is the changing centimeter into kilometer and kilometer into centimeter. Second one, map distance. Okay, actual distance divided by the scale factor, that is formula for finding the distance in the map in the book. Next one, how to find the actual distance. The map distance multiplied by the scale factor. So these are the two rules and one condition of changing. These are the three things we are using in this units. Okay, so we will explain with examples. This is a sample question. The scale of map is 1:50,000. Okay, a distance is measured as 2 centimeter on the map. How many centimeter is this equivalent to in real life? Okay, so we have to find the actual distance because centimeter, that is in the map distance is given in centimeter. Centimeter means it is in the map, in the book, in the paper. Okay, so how we can change it? Map distance multiplied by scale factor. Okay, here it is 50,000. Okay, multiplied by 2, you will get 100,000 centimeter. Normally, we will write in terms of kilometer. This for a sample question, we write with centimeter. No problem. We will discuss this later. This also some other example. Okay, so scale is 1:50,000. The distance on the map is 3 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find the actual distance. You have to multiply 3 with 50. So you will get 150,000 centimeter. You can stop it there. Or the question asks you to change into kilometer. You have to divide this by 100,000. Okay, why 100,000? We explained the first part of this lesson. How we got 100,000. Changing into kilometer into meter, then meter to centimeter. That is the way we are getting. Okay. Okay, so you will get 1.5 kilometer. Some changes are there. Okay, this is centimeter to kilometer we are dividing, and we got this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 examples are there. So practice this one well. It will help you how to solve the questions. Okay, so we told just before we explain, we have to follow two formula, map distance and actual distance. Now we will going in detail how to find a map distance. So you have to write the formula. Map distance is equal to actual distance divided by scale factor. Okay. Then in between you have to change the centimeter into kilometer and kilometer into centimeter. Example 1. It is given that 5 centimeter on a map represent 1 kilometer on actual ground. Calculate the scale of the map in the form of 1:n. That means write the simplest form, only like that. Okay, so we will write that one 5 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, so centimeter and kilometer we study before. We have two different units. We have to make it equal. Then do calculations. Don't do calculation with they have different units. 5 centimeter. Then 1 kilometer is changed into, yes, 100,000 centimeter. Okay, I repeat how we will get 100,000. Okay, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Again, meter into centimeter, 100. Okay, that's why 100,000. Okay, so we got 5:100,000. Then the question is in the simplest form. 5 is the common number. We divide by 5. 1:20,000. Then in the right side with the red pen you can see how 1 kilometer is coming 100,000. First 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then 1 meter is equal to 100. That is 100,000. A section A finished. So that means automatically B will be there. The length of the road is 8 kilometer. It is 8 kilometer. That means the real length. Find the length in centimeter, that is in the map. Okay, and identify which the unit. 8 kilometer never will come in the map. It is in the road. That's real. Okay, so you have to find the map distance. Map distance is equal to actual distance divided by the scale factor. What is the actual distance here? 8. What is the scale factor here? It is given. Okay, 8. 5 multiply 8. Okay, answer is 40. Here also unit is 1 kilometer and 8 kilometer. No need to convert. Example 2. The particular map shows the scale of 1:5,000. What is the actual distance if the map distance is 8 centimeter? This is special question. It is on 5,000. Okay, no need to change into kilometer. Just change into meter. Okay, so you have to find map distance is 8. So you have to find the real distance. Actual distance is equal to map distance multiplied by scale factor. You have to multiply by 8. 5,000 multiplied by 8, you will get 40,000. Okay, 40,000 is centimeter. You can stop it there. No problem. If you want, they ask you, if the question asks you to change into meter or kilometer, divide. Otherwise, 40,000 is fine. Example 3. A particular map shows as a scale of 1 centimeter is to 5 kilometer. Okay, what would be the map distance in centimeter be if the actual distance is 14 kilometer? Look at the question. It is 5 kilometer and 14 kilometer. The units are same. You have to find the map distance. Okay, map distance. What is the formula? Actual distance divided by scale factor. What is the actual distance here? 14. And what is the scale factor here? 5. Okay, so we will see. Actual distance divided by scale factor, 14 divided by 5, 2.8. So 2.8 is the distance. A map is drawn to a scale 1 is to 200,000. That is the scale factor or the ratio. In reality, 6.4 kilometer. Find the distance on the map. Okay, so map distance is equal to, yes, say actual distance divided by scale factor. What is the actual distance? It is 6.4, correct? Okay, but the unit 200,000. Now the units are different here. So you have to make it in same unit, then we can do the calculations. The ratio is 1 is to 200,000. I just explained the first slide. 1 is to 200,000 means 1 centimeter is equal to 200,000 centimeter. Then change into kilometer because our question is 6.4 kilometer. That's why you have to change it now. So what is the kilometer now? 2 kilometer. Okay, why 100,000? Why 100,000? Exactly, changing kilometer to centimeter. Okay, so you will get 2 kilometer. Then how we can find the map distance? Map distance is equal to, write it, actual distance divided by scale factor. Actual distance is in the question 6.4 divided by 2. 2 we got the scale factor, we are calculating, we are changing, converting, you got 2. So 3.2 centimeter. This is the distance in the map, in the diagram. Okay, example 5. The map is drawn to the scale 1 is to 30,000. In reality, 1.5 kilometer. Find the distance on the map. It is same like example 4. You have to convert into centimeter into kilometer. Okay, you got 0.3 kilometer. Okay, so conversion finished. Then what is the formula? Map distance is equal to actual distance divided by scale factor. Okay, actual distance is 1.5 kilometer. It is given in the question, and scale factor we calculated it to 0.3. Our answer is yes, 5. 5 centimeter is on the map. Okay, so we find how to calculate the map distance. So the formula is actual distance by scale factor. We convert the unit if it is necessary. Otherwise, don't do, you can do direct things. Now, actual distance, we have to use the formula map distance multiplied by scale factor. Here also you have to convert the unit if it is not same centimeter and kilometer. Convert it and then do the calculations. We can start with another example, example 6. The scale of map is given 1:200,000. Two cities are 3 centimeter apart on the map. It is in the diagram 3 centimeter. What is the actual distance between them? Okay, so look at the units are different because now it is okay 3 centimeter and 200,000 centimeter, but we will write this is in the actual distance. Actual distance on the two cities, it should be always in kilometer. Okay, so you can change it now. Then you have to apply the formula. So you will get 6 centimeter. Sorry, 6 kilometer in the actual distance. Okay. So next one, example 7. The scale, we are using the scale, same scale, 1:200,000. The distance on the map is equal to 4.5. You have to find the actual distance. Okay. So you have to convert. Why convert? Because we have to find in the actual distance always kilometer. That's why. Okay. Then the real map distance is 4.5 multiply scale factor. Actual distance is equal to the formula map distance multiply scale factor. Map distance is 4.5. So scale factor is 2. You got 9. Okay. So example 8. The scale is 1:120,000. Okay, and the distance between two bus stops is 2.6 centimeter is in the map. Find the actual distance. So okay, change it to the units, and okay, how we can find the actual distance? We have to multiply. Yeah, so map distance multiplied by scale factor. Map distance is here 2.6. Scale factor is 1.2. Okay, so 3.12 kilometer. That is the actual distance. The two bus stops are there actually 3.12 kilometer distance. Okay, so this is today's class. We discuss about two things. First is map distance and second is actual distance. Okay, so there is a relationship between the distance on the map of the things and the distance on the reality. So we need always a scale factor. Okay, it should be always a exact proportion. Okay, and we have used some formula. First formula, map distance, actual distance divided by scale factor, and second one is actual distance is equal to map distance multiplied by scale factor. Only these two things. Map distance means division. Actual size. Actual means outside big. So that's why multiply. Multiplication will give you big number. Okay. Map distance is a small because we are drawing in the paper. No. So it's a division. Division will give you the every time. Every division will give you the small number. Okay. So map is small. So that's why divide. Actual distance is big, that's why multiply. Okay, don't make confused. Hope you all understand today's class. So we discuss about scale drawing. You will get worksheets on Google Classroom. Okay, so this presentation prepared by teacher Meeni. Thank you for watching.